So this is the little house we're staying at. It was this Birds of Paradise vacation rental. This whole complex used to be owned by the Anheuser-Busch family. This was their little vacation retreat. There's 3 houses here, like on the beachfront. This is the one that we're staying at with Tim's parents. It has a nice little living room. Probably you can tell how old this is. Like, this does feel like very 50s and stuff. I'll probably put a little link down to some of the history of this place. These are the doors that go outside. Yeah, I mean, this was a very nice, very like old style, kind of retro-y and stuff. Haven't been inside the other houses. The main house, I think, has the main amount of rooms, obviously. That's where there's gonna be some events. So I'm not sure how much I'm gonna film, just because we are with a whole group of people from both Tim's family and then his sister-in-law's family. So I don't want to bother people's privacy. There's the second house over there. Marina, you can see it, there's a little hot tub there. It's very, very nice to have these like separate houses. Then you go down this little hallway and there's a bathroom. Then there's one big room. This is where his parents are staying in. And then there's a door right there that goes into the bathroom. That's also part of it. So this is a public bathroom, but then also connected to theirs. And then you walk into here, and this is the room that we are staying in.
There's a giant bird at the pool.
Oh gosh. And then we have our own private bathroom, but then our bathroom also, it's just a tiny one, opens up to where the pool area is. So, and there's the main house, and oh wow, look at that bird at the pool. That is kind of, yeah. There's the little dock, some chairs. And yeah, so it's a really cute place. I cannot believe there's just a bird sitting there.
Yeah.
My feet are getting really hot because of it. So here we are walking out of our little house. Yeah, see there's a grill there, a keg. There's the other little house that's part of this. We're gonna have these separate decks. So yeah, I wonder if at one point these were some separate houses and then they, you know, made them into when that family bought it. There's the big house. Although, like I said, since there's people in there right now, I'm not gonna film going in there. This is the main house. So this right here is the Don Cesar Hotel. This is a very old and historic hotel. I guess back in the day, that's when all the celebrities would stay here. I want to say it's from 1929. I know it's from the 1920s. This was right down the street from where we're staying right now. And in general, I heard about this place and I really wanted to check it out. So it was actually built in 1928. And in the heyday, it was a big thing for the jazz. They'd have a lot of jazz people here, and yeah, it was for like the pampered and the rich and famous. They do say that apparently that a lot of the rich famous do still stay here. So the hotel is supposed to be haunted apparently, which I guess there are some ghost tours you can take. So that will be fun one day when we come back. Besides that, it's hosted a bunch of presidents. And some movies. Tom Petty filmed a music video here. Like, I was just trying to quickly look at the Wikipedia page for it. I'll try to link to it in this video. I know on the website there's also a whole history for it too. There was a sign there saying this is an historic Hotel of America. Here's one of their restaurants. Not too bad depending on what you get. Ooh. Those are really pretty. Oh, there's a private event right now. Oh, this is very, very cute. Yeah, they've got the little Spirit jersey, which I know is popular in Disney right now. If you want to look. When you came down the stairs, there was all these shops. I mean, these are cute, huh? Oh, wow. Wait, I want to see how much are their jerseys here. They are $68. So cute. It is. Oh, look, there's mermaids.
Oh my god. I don't know, something up with the eyes that just throws me off on those things.
Yeah. And they've got the, they have my dolphins. Oh my gosh, I really want a dolphin.
That's a shark.
That one's a shark. They have my dolphins down here. I just grabbed it because it looks like a smaller one. How much money is the dolphin?
This one is $18. Not bad.
I want to get a dolphin stuffed animal so bad. Especially since from our restaurant today, we saw more dolphins. And I love the dolphins. We still gotta get my dad a hat.
Yeah.
We might check that out at the Disney outlet.
Yeah, all the hats are $22.
Oh yeah, there's a... Again, since I collect shot glasses, I almost wanted to get one, but maybe I'll wait until we stay here one day. So from the shops that we were just at, we went out this door. Now we're in the back, and you can see here's their pool area, and you can see the water out there. Very nice. They've got different info about the little wildlife and whatnot out here. And yeah, here's the pool. Much more a big resort pool area than what we were just staying at. Other info about the different animals. We did see some crabs out by where we're staying right now. And then if you look way out there, you can see the golf. Yeah, this is a very nice pool area. Here looks like...
The game room?
Oh yeah, the game room. And for kids to go to the little camp area. So that's a good thing, because at least then the parents can do what they want. I guess it's inside there.
I guess. Oh, it looks like it's closed down right now.
Yeah. Oh. Oh yeah, they do have a beach over there too. So there was a sign saying that the beach and pool area is only for this hotel, which of course the pool makes sense, but then yeah, at least they've got their private beach. Here's another bar restaurant. It looks very, very nice. Oh yeah, this area is cute. Hang out up here, then there's little chairs over there. Oh yeah. There is a private wedding rehearsal, or I guess that was up there. But wow, yeah. Look at this beach here. This is nice. Yeah, I would definitely like to stay here. Very nice. This reminds me much more of Mexico now than where we stayed before. It's like, I love the hotel that we stayed at that was like way down there. But again, it was much smaller, and it was kind of nice having the private, but even this beach isn't that bad because it's only for their hotel guests. Okay, I need, oh yeah, you could see it. There it is. But yeah, I mean, this is very nice because it's bigger, more activity, but it's still a private beach just for the hotel guest at least. So it's not going to be like as crazy because yeah, like in Mexico, you'd have people walking along the beach that were not staying at that hotel. Very nice to have one of those balcony rooms up there. I'm sure they're pricey. Well, then there's something up there. It looks like another pool, like a rooftop pool. I'm assuming that rooftop pool, that might be like a club level or something. It's either a pool or like some sort of hangout. Maybe that's even like a penthouse, I don't know. I think we're gonna walk through the doors on this other side over here from the other side where we went. And I think then it will just be more of the shops that we were just at. Yeah, we're just on the other side of the shops before we went out the door down there. So it was their 90th anniversary. The Uncle Andy's, the old-fashioned ice cream that we are gonna go check out right now. Looks very good. Hi. Yeah. We've never been here before, so we're kind of looking. Like rum rush, a rum raisin. It's like part of me wants like ice cream or a sundae, but then another part of me wants a shake. Oh yeah, and then they even got frozen yogurt. Huh. The pistachio. It's really not that far of a drive though back, so.
We'll get our keys on the way out.
Yeah. I'm a little boring and just got a sundae. I did try a sample of their cake batter ice cream and it was actually really, really good. Let's try this. I thought that their vanilla sounded really good and their chocolate, so I just did a vanilla. It was 2 scoops. I did a scoop of vanilla and a scoop of chocolate. And this vanilla's good. Because I was saying how it had the vanilla bean and stuff in it. The chocolate's at the bottom, so I haven't tried that part yet. But so far this ice cream is, yeah, you can tell it's homemade. What'd you get?
I got the OG chocolate chip cookie dough. It's pretty good. It's really rich.
Let me try
Okay.
a bite of that too. I can't get it.
Couldn't have ice cream.
He just got a scoop, and that's a lot for just a single scoop. And then I got the, like I said, the sundae, but this weren't too bad. It was $12 for both. So we got some ice cream to go, one for Tim's mom. I did get some of the crazy cake to go to have later. We do have a full kitchen and refrigerator, freezer in the place we're staying at. So that's what we got. This was really good. There was free parking for only 2 hours because, again, they probably don't want people to park here and then go to the beach since all the beaches are down the street. So that's what we did. We just got to head back. +2, we got to be back to where we are staying because at 6:30 they are doing a anniversary toast and like a little anniversary celebration. So we just came down here for a quick thing. And I mean, yeah, there really wasn't too much to do in there if we're not staying there. I would like to one day stay there and even eat at some of the restaurants. And then I think you can get your parking validated. So, but yeah, not for just the ice cream, they're not gonna validate it. But if you're eating at one of their fancy, expensive restaurants, they will validate it, from what we heard. This little store across the street, Suntan Craftsman Gallery. They've got cute little things in there. Little paintings on wood. Yeah, very cute. Here's the side of the hotel. So we're gonna head back to our car, and the place we're staying at is literally just right down the street over there. So yeah, now we're driving back down the street from the hotel, which is like right behind us, and driving back to the place we are staying at. There's a bunch of like condo, vacation rental-y places over here. On the other side of all these is where the beach would be. And it's a cute little area, definitely.
I think they're pumping a lot of money into this. Like
yeah.
The new palm trees and stuff.
Yeah. And yeah, and that's like when you see these things, like how many are actual houses where someone lives at year round and how many are like beach houses or rental houses. It's sometimes hard to tell. We should be getting close to, oh yeah. So because this is actually 3 houses, they all have different addresses. There's 2707 is where we were staying, but look, there's workers doing work. Oh, now
they're gone, yeah.
But then this is the driveway for our house that we're staying at. that is actually the outside of it, which is 2703. Wait, and there is a walkway that connects them. And then there was the other house. That's why I'm still wondering if this was at one point separate houses or if it was always this big complex where they owned it all, but they just have different addresses because it's technically different houses. I don't know. Yeah, so here, I mean, I think we showed you guys this earlier. Yes, at least this walkway would walk us around the other main house and bring us back to the side gate. Oh, and we could even get in through the gate over here, I guess, too. But we are just gonna go in here. And the door did stay locked. His parents might still be in there. We will find out if they are or not. We thought we unlocked it so we could easily just walk back in, but I guess we did not. See, this is the Birds of Paradise boathouse. Should you message him?
Oh, she's coming.
Okay. So we are out by our pool area at night, and there are people fishing over there. This is kind of crazy, but this is kind of cool at the same time. You can't see anything, but then there's a fishing boat. Isn't that weird that I was videotaping them fishing?